All right, it is Monday evening here on July 27th, and this is the last week of trading for July. Don't mind me, I don't have a shirt on, but here we go on the daily chart on the MNQ or NQ, same thing. We are already testing day's lows here at 10 o'clock. We have, 4.5 hours until London open. But we're already testing day's lows. I do have a short here on this account. I actually traded 3 accounts today. Already done trading on 2 of them, and this is gonna be my last trade on here. Let's go over to the 5-minute and let's talk about what I saw on these trades. And let's just take a switch over to my other account here. So this one is pretty in drawdown. Sorry, this one is in drawdown. This is a pro account. I actually have it to the trailing stop is already over. So I was up $3,000 on the first day, and then I should have locked myself out. Could have got $1,000 payout there. Instead, I gave back $2,500 and locked up the day up only $500. Last week, I believe on Friday, I gave back $400, and so I have $100 left in that in this account. And right now, I only have $72 in drawdown until this one is blown up. Today, I made $21.50 trading one MNQ here, and let's take a look at the trade that I took. So we were trading sideways. Market opened back up here at 5 o'clock. Came back down, made a lower low here, and then we shot up to the upside, almost testing 28,200. High of this candle right here was 28,195. And then once I saw we were breaking here, 28,084. So once I saw we broke 28,100, took a short, tried to come back up. So I came back down, but here on this nice wick, I covered at 28,073. So 10 points, 11 points there. Every 10 points on one MNQ is $20. So I gained $20.50 on that account, as you can see right there. I think you can see that. I'm gonna move myself over to the other side. Okay. So I took one trade there, locked myself out of that one. And then another pro account here. I took a couple of trades here, up $550 or $575 up. This is my second day trade on this Take Profit Pro account or funded account. So I'm up $1,133.50. I need about $900 to fulfill that $2,000 buffer. So the intraday draw stop loss or whatever, intraday trailing turns off. So once that hit 5,200, that turns off, and then seeing if we can get a payout on here. But I'm just working on $300, $400, $500 a day to see if I can get this account up to over 5,200 here by the end of this week. And let's take a look at the same. So I took the same trades here on this one. I had 5 total contracts, I believe. I added a little bit more, but same candle here. I was in short. We were breaking this low right here. On the previous low, and we'll mark that yellow. So I was shorting there, added one more here. My stop loss was up here, and then we went to the downside, and obviously went even more to the downside. So up $575. That's all I really need on that account. And right here, so I have one more trade. So I've been trading this one a little bit more aggressively. This is a evaluation account, but got up to 30 contracts here in this area, just going back and forth. But I'm like, okay, I got in shorted here, I think like 30, as you see here, 50 contracts total. But covered 30 or 29 here, and I still have one left. So it's either gonna fill my take profit here at the previous day lows or Monday lows, or it's gonna stop me out here high this lower high here. So on the daily though, if we make a lower low, I'm gonna turn off the execution marks here. If we make a lower low here, man, we have a long way to go to the downside if that actually happens. So I don't know, maybe we might see something happen around this area where, I don't know if this was like a little bit of a trading area there. I don't know if that might be maybe a good bounce spot anywhere in this area from 27.5 to 27.150. But my next major support is going to be high at this candle here, which is 26,400. So we're going to edit that and then just go to 26,400. But yeah, it is not looking good. I know a lot of tech companies are going down as well. We had SpaceX at 113.50. Marvell down to $189. Like, that is not good. We have Palantir 131, Intel down to $91, Microsoft 30. It was actually up today, $389. Tesla down to 309, and then Nvidia down to 196. So I might get back into Nvidia for a swing play, but man, the tech sector is taking a beating currently right now. So am I in profit? Yeah. So I'm in profit on this trade right here. I'm going to be taking, so total P&L right now is 391. So if we get to 400, maybe I cover here a little bit sooner than later. But yeah, I won't be trading as much, actually loading. Actually, I might do like quick shorts, but I won't be uploading videos for the rest of the week. I am going to be out of town. So I got to really just focus on not trading so much, especially during the day, because I'm going to be busy during the day and I have a lot of things going on. So we might just call it a week. I might take like one MNQ trade and then just call it a day, and then just do that for the rest of this week. So hopefully everyone out there is sticking to the rules, being disciplined, being patient, following your entries, and then also remember to plan your trade and then trade your plan. Hopefully we'll see you some other day here this week.